Stellar price prediction. Stellar Lumens is a decentralized payment network which also supports an online distributed exchange. The Stellar network also supports a cryptocurrency called Stellar. Stellar Lumens was created in order to improve conventional banking systems. Unlike Bitcoin and other distributed networks, the Stellar Lumens network aims to improve conventional banking systems instead of replacing them. 1 XLM is equal to $0.40405 currently. The market cap is $9.24 billion. Circulating supply $22.65 billion. Maximum supply $50 billion. So if we look at the chart, we can say XLM is breaking out of a massive symmetrical triangle, and by taking a portion of the mouth of the wedge and moving it to the breakout point gives us a short-term price target of $0.561 for Stellar. An ascending channel indicates a bullish trend with the support line connecting consecutive higher lows and the resistance line connecting consecutive higher highs. In a bull market, every dip is a buying opportunity. This is not a financial advice, but if we follow the past trends, we can see a $5 to $6 XLM this year with a major correction and consolidation to the downside, once hitting the resistance trend line again and maybe breaking it. So we can say XLM has a perfect market structure that whales will buy into during the alt season, and XLM has the opportunity to be big in the coming years ahead. We haven't seen nothing yet. The stock RSI is indicating a bullish cross, so do not miss this opportunity. Alt season is coming. The best time to move BTC into altcoins is now. XLM price has confirmed a 20% rally after it broke out of a descending triangle on March 20. The 204-hour average at $0.42 has successfully rejected it. Recently, XLM confirmed an upward breakout of a technical formation. So XLM price turned bullish. The technical formation forecasts a 20% upswing to $0.48, determined by measuring the distance between the pivot high and low and adding it to the breakout point on $0.40. The price of XLM can face resistance with the ongoing upside at the value of $0.6. The bounce back for XLM can be seen from the level of $0.35. XLM price is above 50 and 100 days moving average. There was a golden crossover in 50 MA and price. These can push the price up to very high level. The 50 MA line is at the level of $0.422, making it temporary resistance for the price. If the price moves below 50 and 100 MA, it would be tough for it to recover positively. So the resistance is at $0.65. Now Stellar is trading above the 104-hour MA at $0.40. And we know this coincides with the breakout point. So if XLM price slices through this point, it would put the altcoin in a neutral position, which will allow both bullish and bearish opportunities at an equal chance. If XLM bulls bounce from the triangle's hypotenuse, this will trigger a bullish outcome. The 204-hour MA also needs to be achieved, and it will open up the possibility of $0.48 target to be achieved. But you should keep in mind that if XLM price fails to hold above the descending triangle's baseline, which is at $0.37, a bearish scenario might come into the play. So for this case, Stellar could drop 20% and it moved to $0.30 if the bears are left unchecked. So overall, XLM looks solid. You should keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice or recommendation to buy or sell, as these are purely my opinions and speculations. Thank you everyone.